Alright YouTube, so today we're working on a 2002 Nissan Frontier. It's a 6-cylinder, 3.3 liter rear wheel drive vehicle. And we're replacing the front hub bearings on this particular car, so on this particular truck. So we're going to get right down to it. As you can see, at this point, what I've already done is remove the caliper, the tire, broke loose the bolts on the hub itself from the rotor. So if you need some guidance or some advice on that, I do have other videos on my channel, but this particular video is with respect to the special tool required to remove the hub bearing on this truck. And it's similar to the Dana 44s and the Dana 60s that are on four-wheel drive vehicles. So you're going to be looking for a Sunex part number 10202, which is also comparable to an OTC socket number, which I will post in the description below. So with that being said, I'm just gonna dive right into the procedure for removing it. And what you want to do is place this 2 1/4 inch socket, place the 2 dimples inside the corresponding dimples inside the lock nut, and then begin to break it loose. Very important, do not use an impact gun on this socket, because you will damage the socket itself, but also, and more importantly, the lock nut, because that initial jolt that you give it is not anything that you should be doing on the with this hub bearing. So just use a hand tool on this particular part, and there it is. You go ahead and wipe it down a little bit. You will see the way that the lock nut fits onto the socket. So, and then in order to remove the bearing, the rotor, you just want to go ahead and break it free a little bit, and that's it. That's it, folks. Like and subscribe. Post any comments down below.